It's been a while since we last reviewed a good quality electronic toothbrush, and well, we've been sent 2 of them. What? These are the SmartSonic Plus T11 electronic toothbrushes. They retail around £72, that's around 99 in US dollars. But the question is, for that price, are they indeed any good? Let's find out. Right, because there are 2 toothbrushes, for once we are gonna simultaneously unbox both of them at the same time. So, I guess, inside the boxes, we have quite impressive packaging. We have, okay, so we've got a foreign user manual, so there's no English description, I'm afraid. Damn it. In the centre, we have the toothbrush body, which we're gonna place to the side just for now. Accessory wise though, we have been provided with 2 soft and 2 hard density DuPont nylon bristle brush heads. And yes, each one of them do come with their own hygienic sealed brush head case. Above, there is an inductive USB charging base. To the left, we are given a nice feeling suede magnetically sealed case, and you do also get a solid case with that black version. Looking back to the electronic toothbrush body, it does come extremely protected in this very thick foam padding. Let's take it out, unwrap it, and well, it is certainly minimalistic. But with a hold of that power button, we are presented with all of the cleaning modes that we can toggle through. First though, let's go ahead and place that toothbrush head on, which by the way, are not universal. And this toothbrush body is only compatible with SmartSonic Pro toothbrush heads only, I'm afraid. Alrighty then, when it comes to those modes, you are basically given a clean mode to start with, which is ideal for cleaning initial food residue and dental plaque through that high frequency vibration. Each mode, by the way, you can set the vibration strength by simply holding the power button for 1 second. And then pressing it again for another second to basically interchange through 3 of the strength settings. With regards to the other modes, well, we are given a polish mode. There is also a gum care mode, which massages the gums gently. There's a mode for sensitive gums and sensitive teeth too, but as well as having 4 initial modes, you can indeed interchange and combine them modes to provide you with an occasional mouth MOT. Although each mode will provide you with a 2-minute service to your teeth, with an included 30-second change position notification, well, if you choose, for example, to go through the entire mode program. As a 4-mode combination, it could provide you with up to an 8-minute thorough deep clean. So basically what I'm saying is that you can choose clean and whiten mode, whiten and polish mode, polish and gum care, and even 3 modes at the same time. Actually, with up to 15 mode combinations to be had. So yes, it's very good, you can interchange those modes, combine them to suit your own needs. With this SmartSonic Plus toothbrush, it does also include intelligent pressure sensing technology, which will sense how hard you are brushing your teeth and automatically adjust the vibration to help avoid tooth surface damage, which is certainly a very helpful feature. Yes, it is. What's also a good feature is not only do we have a change the brush head reminder on the front of the toothbrush, but there is also a battery indicator too. Overall, these toothbrushes are most definitely well built. They are solid feeling, they do certainly feel quite durable. I do like the fact it has wireless charging and you don't have to basically plug it into the bottom of the toothbrush like other toothbrushes on the market. But also, there is that IPX7 waterproof protection. So yes, you can use this toothbrush while in the shower. You can save some time in the morning when you're running to work. But lastly, we also have a slow motion toothpaste feature. Ooh, that's when you move the toothbrush slowly. In the first 3 seconds after powering it on, the toothbrush will begin to slow to allow the application of your toothpaste without making that toothpaste fall off the end of the toothbrush while placing that toothbrush within your mouth. So nice and tidy cleaning, yeah. So yes guys, it's very pleasing to have both of these toothbrushes with us today. And like I mentioned, you do get a pink version and you do get a black version. Now you can check both of those links out in the video description down below. With regards to the rating, I think I'm going to give these toothbrushes a 9 out of 10. I do like the features, but in regards to the look of both toothbrushes, they are fairly basic. and nothing really stands out that massively. But you know what, it's been great using this toothbrush this week, and I certainly can recommend it. So yes, check that link out, and if you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not check that link out for yourself and go get yours. While you're in the description, guys, it means so much if you smash a like on this video. Please subscribe to our channel, making sure yes you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been fantastic cleaning our teeth this week. Well, we do it normally, by the way, we do. But as usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!